person's identity. It is a core and basic human attribute, an attribute that becomes the foundation on which a life is built. Claims that a person is so-and-so are not enough. He or she needs to prove that they are who they say they are, which really means that without a means of proving their identity, people are left out of the ambit of a safety net that a society may provide to its people. Proxy identity documents such as PAN card, voter ID, ration card, etc. were being used instead to identify each and every one of us for who we are, making the process prone to manipulation and misuse. Lack of an easily verifiable identity has led to exclusion of people from schemes that were created to benefit them. Aadhaar. The 12-digit unique identifier was created to correct this anomaly.
See, Aadhaar is a major initiative by government to give identity to all its residents. So it's a unique identity, non-duplicable identity, as well as it is online verifiable identity. And through this identity, people can apply for any services anywhere, anytime and receive various services.
आधार आने से हमारे को बहुत सहूलत हो गई और अंगूठा मारते पूरा राशन मिल जा रहा। दूसरे कोई नहीं ले सकते हमारे कार्ड का राशन, हम ले सकते हैं। फैमिली में सब जने आके ले सकते कोई भी।
Any individual, irrespective of age and gender, who is a resident in India and satisfies the verification process laid down by the UIDAI can enroll for Aadhaar. Every resident's biometrics, that is fingerprints, iris image and photograph, and limited demographic information are captured during the enrollment process by the enrollment agency. The enrollment packets are then encrypted and sent to UIDAI's Central Identities Data Repository (CIDR), where the demographics and biometric details of each individual are checked against all existing records to make sure that the person has not enrolled earlier. Biometrics are key to this deduplication exercise, as each of the fingerprints, iris image and photograph are checked against existing records. As fingerprints and iris images are unique to every individual, the deduplication exercise ensures that residents have only one chance to be in the database. For newborns, infants and children up to the age of 5, biometrics other than their photograph are not captured. Their Aadhaar is generated based on the Aadhaar number held by one of the parents or guardian. The Aadhaar system is a marvel of modern technology. CIDR's state-of-the-art architecture handles hundreds of millions of transactions across billions of records, with hundreds of trillions of biometric matches every day. The CIDR is also capable of generating a sub-second response while handling hundreds of millions of authentication transactions per day. UIDAI data centers in Bengaluru and Manesar have the capacity to store 5 petabytes of data and can generate 1.5 million Aadhaar numbers per day. The technology architecture has been designed to cater to hundreds of trillions of biometric matches every day. Since every resident of India will have an Aadhaar, and therefore the Aadhaar database will continue to grow as the population expands. After an Aadhaar is generated, it has to be printed in a standard format and delivered to the resident. This is one of the largest and complex variable data printing jobs in the country. Each Aadhaar letter is a bilingual, laminated, 4-color printed document with demographic details. The Aadhaar number, photograph and a QR code, and is printed in multiple languages. The Aadhaar number, once generated, is valid throughout the life of an individual and doesn't change, but the details of the resident can be updated. UIDAI offers both online and offline avenues for updating demographic details. Biometric details, however, can be updated only at designated enrollment centers. Aadhaar is a digital identity and can be authenticated online anywhere. This is the USP of the Aadhaar identity platform.
If I take some other identity document and if I present it at some place, now the person who is accepting my identity document, he has no means to verify as to whether that identity document is indeed genuine. In case of Aadhaar, any Aadhaar holder can be identified anytime.
The Aadhaar authentication process entails submitting a person's Aadhaar number, along with other attributes like demographic, biometrics details to UIDAI's CIDR for verification. The CIDR verifies whether the data submitted matches the data available in the server and responds with a yes or no. UIDAI supports 3 types of authentication: biometrics-based, demographic-based, and through a one-time password received on mobile. Broadly, there can be 4 types of Aadhaar-enabled applications. They could leverage one or more of Aadhaar platforms and enablers. Any organization can choose a combination which would best suit their needs in order to make their service efficient and convenient.
Aadhaar is an instrument for good governance. Aadhaar is a platform for transparent delivery. Aadhaar is the mode to reach the poor and the needy without the middleman.
Linking the beneficiary's database with Aadhaar and using Aadhaar authentication at the point of delivery can help in removal of duplicates and reduce leakages in delivery of social welfare schemes.
Today you have the Manrega payment being sent to the state, from the state to the district collector, then to the panchayat. Today, using this, the entire Manrega money will directly go into the bank account for the people who work into this.
This transfer of money to bank accounts of beneficiaries happens through Aadhaar Payment Bridge or APB. Using this mechanism, a paying agency, be it a government or private entity, can send funds in bulk to individuals' bank accounts seamlessly. This makes Aadhaar a person's financial address as well. The process is fairly simple. The Aadhaar number of the beneficiary needs to be seeded into the database of the paying agency and in the bank account of the beneficiary. The paying agency has to identify a sponsor bank to perform the APB on behalf of the department. Once this is done, the paying agency prepares a periodical payment sheet consisting of Aadhaar numbers of the beneficiary and the corresponding amount to be paid, which is submitted to the sponsor bank. Aadhaar also enables basic banking services in remote areas through its Aadhaar-enabled payment system mechanism. This is how AEPS works. The resident provides his or her Aadhaar number, details of the financial transaction, sort, and a fingerprint impression at a micro ATM device operated by a bank's business correspondent. Digitally signed and encrypted data packets are transferred via bank switch to NPCI to UIDAI. UIDAI processes the authentication request and communicates the outcome in the form of a yes or no answer. If the authentication response is yes, the bank carries out the required authorization process and the resident can then carry out basic banking transactions like cash deposit, withdrawal, balance inquiry, etc. The Aadhaar authentication framework and its applications are seeing widespread adoption by government and private agencies across India. In Andhra Pradesh, the public distribution system was able to remove lakhs of bogus or non-existent beneficiaries of the 4,67 lakh units earlier, thanks to Aadhaar. It is improving efficiency and efficacy of government systems by enabling attendance monitoring of government employees. LPG subsidies are being directly routed to beneficiary bank accounts using Aadhaar.
ಆಧಾರದಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ತರ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಕಾಸು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ.
Scholarships and pensions are directly reaching their intended beneficiaries.
सरकारी योजनाओं के साथ जोड़ करके डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट के लिए जो भी लीकेजेस उसको रोक करके काम करने पर हम बल दे रहे हैं।
In fact, Aadhaar touches the lives of an individual across various stages of life. With Aadhaar, the scope to revolutionize delivery of government services in every sector is exponential.
What I foresee is that Aadhaar becoming actually a foundation for our existence. It will simplify the life of a citizen without actually compromising his privacy or security.